Hello guys. In this video, I'll try to discuss another topic called raise exception inside Python. Okay, inside Python exception. See, again, we can use actually another way to raise the exception. So see, there is a keyword called raise. With the help of raise, actually, we can raise any kinds of exception. We can give our custom message here. Let me show you. So if I just write raise exception, here you can write, let's say, there is an error. Okay, now if I execute the program, see, it will raise the exception and it will tell you there is an error. You can also raise different exception. Let's say I can also raise let's say zero division error. Okay, zero division error, and inside that I can just write anything, let's say with zero. Now see, if I execute the program, it will give you zero division error, and whatever message actually you have written, it will show you here. Okay, apart from that, you can also raise different exception. Let's say I will write raise name error. Okay, so here I can write anything, let's say name is not valid. So it will give you name error, name is not valid. So it's like very powerful actually keyword you can use inside error handling. So it will happen, you can raise any kinds of exception, okay, anytime. Now you can ask me what is the use of this particular raise exception. See, sometimes actually I want to raise the exception in my program, okay, instantly, and that particular exception I want to catch, okay, in my let's say try exit block. See, for this actually I have written a program. I think this will make you sense. Here I have written a function divide number. So this function takes two input a and b, and first of all it checks, okay, if b is equal to 3, so it will happen. See, you can't actually divide with any kinds of 0. It's not possible. Okay, so if b is equal to 3, so I'm just raising one exception, can't divide numbers with 0. Otherwise I'm just returning this particular a divided by b. Okay, now see, if I execute the function, it will work fine. Now see what I've written. I've taken a try condition, and inside that I'm calling this particular function. Okay, I'm calling this particular function, and if something going wrong, I'm raising the exception. Okay, I'm just writing except exception as e. So what will happen if this particular function returns any kinds of exception? That means if it is raised any kinds of exception, it will automatically catch that particular exception. Okay, let me show you. See, if I give the correct input, let's say 10 and 9, it will give me the correct output. There is no error. But let's say somehow if I'm giving the 0 here, now see, whatever exception I have written, whatever exception I am raising here, can't divide the numbers with 0, I'm getting this particular message here. Okay, that means this function is raising the exception, and this particular statement is catching that particular exception. Okay, that means it is throwing and it is catching. So that's how actually in some application you have to use this particular concept. You will be instantly raising the exception and you will be catching that particular exception later on. Okay, and you will be showing in front of the user. Okay, so again, this is a super important concept inside exception handling. I hope you got it. And I have showed you all possible actually exception handling inside Python. Okay, now going forward, we'll be implementing different projects, and there we'll try to use these other concept as well. Fine. So yes, this is all about from this particular video. Thanks for watching.